Today I'm gonna be making Ugandan Knuckles. I low-key think they modeled it after a wrestler. Okay, that's better. The shoe looks hard. I don't have green and yellow. Oh my god, I hate the screech. Is it still screeching? This is the outline. It has like whiskers. Do you see the vision? I forgot to make the back head. I'm actually more of a morning person. I used to be a night owl. I feel like I get more done in the morning. Biologically, you can feel older than your age. I think I'm like really old. I get super tired easily. It has something to do with me always slouching, I swear. I'll be your grandma's. If you know how to make cookies, you can be my grandma. I don't know how to make cookies because I don't follow recipes. Just like throw everything together, and sometimes it actually lands. Just like programming, you just throw some code in and pray it works. I'm going to try to add a butt on this guy. There is a mania with not adding eyes but adding butt. Did I add a butt on this one? Eventually I'll get good at making butts. I'm actually going to add eyes this time because he's nothing without his eyes. If you don't add eyes, it won't come to life. It's my rendition of Ugandan Knuckles. My phone keeps like randomly typing itself. Be like, hey, and then in between the H-E-Y, somehow it types a whole sentence. Sometimes when I respond to people on my phone, it takes a while because I have to keep deleting the sentences over and over again. My phone is cracked. And yes, I don't have a case because I took it off once and forgot where I put the case. I get too lazy to go buy a case. Oh my gosh. It almost showed my messy bed. What is it saying? With taxes? Brainwash Knuckles into a TikTok memer. Is that like a hit song? Ichi Nisa. Oh, this song. I've heard it before. I think I made this too big. It's taking up half of the body. Every time I have my headphones on, like this, I always fear that I accidentally snip the wires instead of the thread. How long do you think it'll take to make? It will take me another hour? I have no idea actually. I'm bad at estimating. So I went to the dentist and the dentist appointment was actually next week. I decided to go to Fabricland, looked in the sales section and found this. I don't have yellow. I'm going to blend with the eyes. Unless I make it eyelid. This time is not my fault. I'll worry about that later. This is how I've been approaching all my problems recently. Starting to look like a Gordy. I think Euro games is like farming, engine building type of games. When I say farming games, I mean like making money. Not like actually farming plants. The whisker. This is the face. It's kind of creepy. I'm gonna add a nose because he has that little like dot. It's not gonna look like Ugandan Knuckles. It's gonna look worse than the meme. I think in the beginning, when we were dating, he entertained it. So he kind of made a pineapple. But then after that one time, he never crafted with me. We also made sock monkeys. That's me with movies. I made myself watch so much movies. And in reality, I don't really like watching movies. I get really bored. I was like, I should watch movies because otherwise it's really sad. It's weird. I say I'm restless and impatient and I can't watch movies, but I like long form, slow YouTube videos. I'm always so contradicting. Masquerade parties? Imagine if everyone's like super elegant and then I come in like, do I look like Ugandan Knuckles? Why are the fingers like floppy? I call dibs on Jimin? You think I'm gonna be giving away all the stuff in the bag? What is wrong with this guy's head? What did I do? He looks like a crab or like a blobfish. Yes, I spent a lot of time editing. Yeah, it looks like an octopusy. I mean, sorry, why did I say that? It looks like an octopus plushie. It's the dyslexia. You guys have to understand. I'm excited to show you guys the gyat that I'm currently working on. I just did the cheeks and I'm sewing them together. Oh my god. This is the gif I've been following. Have I been following the wrong reference? Yeah, I heard that GitHub bought this AI that will generate code and they're gonna train off of our side projects. So everyone go on your GitHub and like upload a bunch of really bad code. Like drop table or something. This way we don't lose our job. The whole Reddit is gonna be uploaded to Gemini, but there's a lot of spam on Reddit. The AI will learn how to be degen. Are you guys on that thread where it's like cute animals, but then the captions are always really aggressive? So it would be like a dog mauled by a kitten or something, and it's just a dog and a cat being super wholesome. I am a dry texter, so sometimes people think I'll hack by an AI because I'll be like, oh cool, XD or something like that. Why is he a weird character? This character became an army in the VR chat world. Foot looks perfect to hang as a Christmas stocking. It really does. Okay, this one is the messed up foot that I was talking about. You see the vision. Do you know the way? How could I be making this if I didn't even look at the full meme? Oh, the foot. The foot is finally out. I'm trying to fit a really big hand through a really tiny hole. Remember when I said I think it'll only take an hour? 6 hours later. He's kind of looking like Sonic a bit, but derpy. Oh my god, I can't unsee that. I thought it was whisker. I guess it is hair, but now it's starting to look like a beard. Let's stuff him and sew him up. He looks so derpy. It's a meme, shouldn't look good. Oh my god, he's crooked. But I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. There's too much plushies in the way. I can't finish. It looks like a chihuahua. Oh, especially from this angle. Looks like he ate a lemon. What makes it worse is having this next to it. Smile for the camera. Oh! Speaking of camera, my camera just died. Thank you guys for stopping by. Oh my god, my room is really messy. This is how it looks up close. Bye.